It's got to go up to here. So the hard part is what I've already done. All the work on my knees, basically. It's got to go up to here. So the hard part is what I've already done. All the work on my knees, basically. It's got to go up to here. So the hard part is what I've already done. All the work on my knees, basically. Hey everybody, so this is what I did so far today. I had to take it down, and then we got to go up to here. So I'm going to be done this whole thing tomorrow, and I got to put a concrete cap on it, and it's easy to do. You just pour it on there. So this is what I do. Peace, everybody. Oh, I almost forgot. So the neighbors next door said this one looks very nice and they need theirs done. So this one right here, right across here, I'm going to tear it down and build a new one up like that. I don't know if they want stone like the next door neighbors there, but just nice red brick, or actually beige brick would be nice on that house as well. See, once I set up a job, usually I get like 3 or 4 people that come up to me and ask me to look at theirs. So that's how it works. Peace, everybody. These are 2-day jobs right here.